Okay.
Don't move away from there, ma'am, when it lights.
That's all explosive. Okay. Come on.
And move straight away from it.
The greatest lighter.
No, the wind's blowing it, mate. Move away, Liam. Oh, this is good.
Just for one chisel.
Don't you go.
Imagine if it doesn't light.
Should do. Oh, it's amazing.
Holy shit, it's so red. Oh my god.
Look in there, look in there.
So you know what we need to do to rocket? Make a rocket with that.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Holy crap. You know, I was thinking you have to strap it down if you wanted to cook something.
It just blew the lid off.
Yeah, we can make a rocket.
Wait, we still have, like, more packets left.
We still have 2 packets each.
That's not enough.
To make a rocket, yeah, that's as much as what